Hi everyone. So I'm going to teach you how to write a word problem like we have to do for the project and how to solve that problem. Uh, this is going to be dealing with just two variables. So if you're looking for three variables, it's a similar process. You use the elimination method I've been teaching you in class. Um, and it's basically the same thing as what we do with the two variables elimination method. So I'll let you know a little bit about my thinking on this. First of all, I'm going to do a problem that's about selling fruit, or buying fruit. So let's say you have two customers that go into a farmer's market, and the first customer buys 3 pounds of bananas. And they also buy 3 pounds of oranges. And then let's say their total for that was $3.75. Now, I'm not just making these numbers up out of the blue. I actually had in my mind that a pound of bananas is going to cost 50 cents. So the 3 pounds of bananas is going to be $1.50. And I had in mind that the 3 pounds of oranges were going to be 75 cents a pound. And so that's going to cost $2.25. So you can see where I got my 375 from, okay? Now, I already gave you the answer to this problem, but that's okay. I'm still going to teach you how you can solve this. So the first customer, that's their order, and that's their total. That's not a Z, that's an equal sign. And then the second customer, 4 pounds of bananas. And 1 pound of oranges. And the total there was $2.75. Again, I'm not making this up out of the blue. I did these numbers in my head beforehand. I did 4 times 50 cents per pound of bananas. That gave me $2. This thing's wobbly. And I did 75 cents a pound for the bananas. So that's 75 cents. And that added up to $2.75. Okay? So that's how I set up my problem. So you probably want to give this a little more context, explaining how it's somebody who went to somebody who works at a farmer's market and it's two customers who ordered bananas and oranges. But that could basically be the setup of your problem, and you're asking the solver to figure out the cost of a pound of oranges and the cost of a pound of bananas. All right. Now, then the solver would want to turn this into a system of equations. All right. So they might want to go something like this. 3b plus 3, let's use R instead of O because that might look like a 0. So B would be the cost of a pound of bananas. R would be the cost of a pound of oranges. And that would add up to $3.75. And then I'd set up a similar equation for the second customer. All right. And that's how they could set it up. I'm going to post a second video that shows how to solve this.